Workflows have always been a great way to see where your design is in its development process. This assembly is pending approval but needs to be transitioned back for additional features. Now in PDM 2024, when you transition a workflow, you have the ability to check out the design as you make the transition, making you more efficient. Seeing a static list of parts and their properties can be insightful. However, with PDM 2024, we help you visualize those properties like never before. Assembly visualization now supports PDM properties. System properties as well as user PDM variables are now available. Group and color by property, and then use the rollback bar to isolate parts based on their state. In addition, you can save the color mapping as a display state and continue working on your design with added insight. Let's use the feature search to add the required design changes to this model, or finalize the design by checking them in and then release the design as Rev B. PDM has always been about tracking the history of your designs. Now history records when the design has been checked out, providing a greater level of traceability. When accessing an old revision, you can now gain a clearer understanding of its status on the newly redesigned version tab. The top half of the tab provides insight into the status of the latest version available, while the bottom half provides you with information related to the current local version, giving you a clearer picture of the status. For users of name bombs, hidden columns now show in the BOM compare as deleted. You can quickly unhide all hidden columns on the right mouse button menu. And it's easier than ever to edit multiple cells at one time. Overall security has been enhanced to ensure that reference data is blocked for those without permission on the Contains and Where Used tabs, and supports the table view as well as the treehouse view. Web 2 now supports the grid view, making it easier to visually identify your designs in the folder and search views. Clearly understanding the makeup of a multi-body part is now easier than ever, with new icon indicators that exist not only in Web 2 but throughout PDM 2024. The right mouse button menu allows you to seamlessly transition to any tab of a file, saving you time. And if you need to access an old version, Web 2 now allows you to select the version you want to download. For administrators, it's now easy to see the vaults that you're logged into. The license node has been split into license usage and server list, and a new administrative permission has been added for more granular access control. With the introduction of assembly visualization support for PDM 2024, you can create variable display lists your users can access and easily control their permission. Finally, organising your workflow has never been easier. States that are no longer utilised can now be archived, and you can toggle the pane on and off on the toolbar. If you need to unarchive a state, simply drag and drop it. With SOLIDWORKS Manage, you can create and edit bills of materials using a record-based approach, making you less reliant on the existence of SOLIDWORKS data. You can create a bill of material at any stage of product development and capture a manufacturing BOM, which is often derived from the CAD BOM but is different in some way. In 2024, you can globally replace an obsolete component with an alternate part and update all its parent bill of material in one operation. In 2023, the bills of material are updated one at a time, so this great new enhancement is going to save significant amounts of engineering time. In 2024, the SOLIDWORKS Manage desktop and web client includes a full eDrawing preview, making it much easier and faster to view component geometry, whether you're working with bills of material or participating in an engineering change process. With SOLIDWORKS Manage 2024, these enhancements and many more will improve ease of use, increase productivity, and promote better collaboration across your organisation.